In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the project setup feature in Leankor. Every time you add a new project to Leankor, it gives you the option to set certain parameters for that project. I'm going to go ahead into our new product launch project right now and show you this. So when I first click on the project, I'm given the options of seeing all the boards, and at the very bottom is the project setup tab. Click on that. The first area of the project setup is basically high-level information about the project. And this is where I could have the name of the project, who the owner is. I can give it an identifier. I can also attach to the project Salesforce accounts, cases, campaigns, and opportunities. I also have a large form description here. I can enter a detailed description of the project in the project information. The key one here I really want to point out, though, is the template flag. This, when set, automatically changes all the boards that are attached to the project as template boards. This is useful when you want a template to maybe clone for new projects, but you do not want all the cards, tasks, and activities in the template to appear as work to be done on the user's My Work view. So by setting the template flag, I will automatically change all the project boards, including the Gantt charts that are in here, to a template style. The next main area is dealing with financial and timing considerations, schedule considerations of the project. So I can add in what the expected benefit is, maybe a gross margin. In this case, I've added in the expected total project cost. And of course, all of this can be reported on because it is held as a Salesforce object. I can also give a start date and a planned due date for the project. And finally, this section deals with what the user sees when they click on the project and how it behaves when they open it up. So right now, you'll notice, and this is by default, all of the modules that are available are selected in the project. So when I come back and look at my project view, I'm going to see all of them. For this particular project, I know, I'm not using a roll-up board and I'm not using any whiteboards. And I'll go ahead and save this setup, and then we'll just go back and we'll refresh our project. And now you'll see whiteboards and the roll-up board no longer appear in my interface. So it makes it very helpful if you want to streamline what users are going to see by removing any Leankor items that are not being used in this particular project. Another key area is the ability to set what happens when a user clicks on the project. So I can specify, well, when they click on the project, I want it to automatically open up my Gantt board, and I also want it to open that board in a new tab. I can also, if I have any Kanban boards in my project boards, I can specify which board I want to open by default. And I can also specify for the Kanban boards whether I want it to open in a calendar view or a Kanban view. So very helpful to direct the behavior. Let's see how this one click to open works. So I'll go ahead and save my project setup. And we'll go back and we will launch the project again. So when I click on the project icon, it automatically opens up now my Gantt board in a brand new tab. So that's the project setup feature. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.